Kinging it! Rule your own world!
We woke up in Sigiriya and we made our way to Mini World's End. The drive took us up some really windy hairpin roads, so when we arrived, Amy was feeling a bit fragile, but we managed to get her out for a little hike. When we got to the top, the views were just unbelievable. Cloud inversions, lakes in the distance, clouds rolling in. Even in the rain, it was just mind-blowing. The best part about our hike was our tour guide. He took us back to his house after the trek where his lovely wife had made us some banging Sri Lankan food. Amy was just happy that her dress matched the paint in the living room. After filling our bellies, we stopped off at a dam, then we made our way to Kandy to watch a cultural performance by some Kandian dancers, which was really cool. After that, we were greeted at the next hotel with some flowers, and there was the most outrageous buffet to tuck into, with the background noise of a wedding and a pool right next to us. She's going for it. Go on, girl. Get yourself in there.
Welcome to like 6 o'clock in the bloody morning, guys. We've got a massive day. Today is one of the days I've been really looking forward to because we're going on the train from Kandy to somewhere, but it's gonna be great.
So we're up at the crack of dawn because we're going to a temple first. We're gonna dress in like long sleeves and trousers and stuff, so
well, I've got a little shawl I have. I'm not gonna go in my bathing suit.
Cover your shoulders up.
I'm respectful, do you know what I mean?
So yeah, it's gonna be a good one. We woke up in this hotel last night we got here. Incredible buffet. There was a wedding, there was fireworks. We weren't in the wedding, we were just watching.
I wish we were though, it was amazing.
But take a look at this room.
It's fit for a king.
It's bloody massive.
Literally everyone watching this now, you could all have stayed over last night because there's that much room.
So big, and then you walk out here, there's a little veranda. Like you're in Italy or something. A view outside. Look at that. Fantastic. Little river by there.
It's warm, Craig. We're actually here in rainy season though, so it has been raining a lot, which I don't mind at all because you know me, I lift the deck if it's too hot. We're running late, so we've got to go for breakfast and then go to the temple. My hat's all creased.
Shaky. Look at this for a gaff. How cool is that? Didn't even get to swim in it though. Looks half eight for an interview with you.
No. My shawl was a bit too see-through because I'm a sluzzer. So I have to wear Craig's jacket. I can't wear my hat either, so I'm a proper mess today. don't expect me to wake up at 6 o'clock and look like Marilyn Monroe, okay?
There are many flowers Sri Lanka. Not from Kandy. Kandy out of city people can bring them selling.
This place smells like shoes. We're a quarter of the way through our tour, but Amy and I keep needing the toilet, so we're like running off. It's not like
miles away as well.
it's a bit of a mission.
So we got our main man Denzel taking us, our little tour guide. He's lovely, but he speaks awfully fast, and I'm like trying to catch the end of some sentences to try and figure out what he's saying.
Yeah, it's a top geezer though. He loves it. It's so peaceful here, isn't it?
Yeah, we've got our shoes off as well, by the way. Everyone's just walking around with their bare feet, which is lovely. It just feels so calm and relaxed.
Apart from the smell by the shoe stand, it smells like gone off cheese.
Don't just throw your shoes in, throw them in.
What happened to you last night then?
So it turns out I'm proper tasty.
at the state of this leg.
Like, that is just the ugliest thing I've ever seen.
Oh my god, looks like you've got leprosy or something.
No.
Okay, we're at the train station in Kandy. It should be about 4 hours. Best train journey I've ever been on in my whole life. So incredible. Like, every time you go around a corner, it's just like a huge rice paddy or a mountain or like a little village of people. We got to this one spot and there's this little girl like, hi, like so happy, like waving at everyone. It's just unbelievable. The only annoying part was, and it's like everywhere that gets like popular on social media. I'm just gonna put this out there. If you're at a touristy spot or you're somewhere where there's like a photo opportunity, don't just stay there for the whole time, because other people obviously want to take photos. So there was one girl, there's a blonde girl and their mate, and they stood in the doorway the whole time, like hanging out. Like, they must have had about 2,000 pictures.
Yeah.
Spread over.
A bit rude when we asked them to move as well.
Yeah, but like, look at the backdrop here. That is not a green screen, my friends. That is real life.
So now we're heading into the local town. We're gonna get a tuk-tuk. We're gonna do some shopping, which is my favourite thing ever.
Amy's loving life now because she survived.
I know.
She was crapping herself before the train. She's like, I'm gonna go down Greg, it's gonna be too hot, Greg.
And this is like my first day that I felt like, well. Craig, my skirt's not tucked into my knickers, is it?
No. Like the Hollywood sign, it just says Edinburgh.
So colourful. I think I was probably born here in a past life. I just thought they were cool, and they're like Sri Lankan colours, and will always remind me of my time in Sri Lanka. Now we're talking, Craig.
All now one.
I'll have them all.
About to check into the new hotel.
It looks like the Cotswolds, doesn't it?
It's real posh.
Ew. Look, Craig.
This is awesome.
It's real, like a proper country. You don't feel like you're in Sri Lanka.
Looking brilliant, isn't it?
Awesome.
And it's got a little balcony out here as well.
There's a heater as well.
Look at that.
We're in Sri Lanka, we don't need a heater.
Look at that. Top views.